This growth is attributed to the increasing number of individuals and businesses seeking to take advantage of the tax benefits offered by the UK's tax system. The rise of tax planning and optimisation. The UK's tax system has become increasingly complex, with various tax reliefs and allowances available to individuals and businesses. As a result, many are turning to tax planning and optimisation to reduce their tax liabilities and increase their take-home pay. Key benefits of tax planning and optimization include reduced tax liabilities, increased cash flow, improved financial planning, enhanced business competitiveness. Tax planning and optimization can take many forms, including tax planning strategies. Several tax planning strategies are available to individuals and businesses, including tax-efficient investment. Investing in tax-efficient assets, such as index funds or tax loss harvesting, can help reduce tax liabilities. Tax-efficient savings. Utilizing tax-efficient savings vehicles, such as ISAs or SIPP, can help reduce tax liabilities. The impact of tax simplification on small businesses. The government's tax simplification plans aim to reduce the complexity of the tax system, making it easier for individuals and businesses to comply with tax laws. However, small businesses, including landlords, may face significant challenges in adapting to these changes. Challenges for small businesses: increased administrative burden, higher costs associated with digital investment, uncertainty around the impact of tax simplification on their specific situation. The role of HMRC in implementing tax simplification. HMRC plays a crucial role in implementing tax simplification plans. The agency has announced its commitment to modernizing its systems and investing in digital technology to improve the tax experience for businesses. Improved digital services for businesses, enhanced online tools for tax compliance, increased support for businesses through HMRC's helplines and online resources. The importance of digital investment. Digital investment is a key priority for HMRC as it enables the agency to provide better services to businesses. This includes investing in digital tools and platforms that make it easier for businesses to comply with tax laws. Digital tax returns, online payment systems, automated tax compliance. Addressing the concerns of small businesses. To address the concerns of small businesses, HMRC has announced plans to provide additional support and guidance. This includes regular updates on tax simplification plans, training and resources for businesses to help them adapt to the changes, a dedicated helpline for businesses to seek advice and support. The long-term benefits of tax simplification. While the short-term impact of tax simplification on small businesses may be significant, the long-term benefits are likely to be substantial. He emphasized that the tax system should be streamlined to reduce complexity and make it easier for taxpayers to comply. The need for reform. The National Audit Office, NAO, has been scrutinizing the UK's tax system for several years, highlighting areas where improvement is needed. In its latest report, the NAO has urged HMRC to take a more modern and cost-effective approach to tax administration. This call for reform is not just about reducing costs, it's also about making the tax system more efficient and easier to navigate for taxpayers. Key challenges: complexity. The UK tax system is notoriously complex, with multiple tax rates, allowances, and reliefs. This complexity can make it difficult for taxpayers to understand their obligations and comply with tax laws. Administrative burden. HMRC's administrative processes can be time-consuming and costly, with many taxpayers facing delays and difficulties in resolving tax-related issues. Technology. The tax system is not always optimized for digital technologies, making it difficult for HMRC to provide efficient and effective services to taxpayers. ##a modern and cost-effective approach *A modern and cost-effective approach. Gareth Davies, head of the NAO, has emphasized the need for a more modern and cost-effective approach to tax administration. This approach should prioritize simplicity, efficiency, and taxpayer convenience. The government's commitment to reducing compliance costs becomes the government's pledge to streamline the tax code and lower compliance burdens, which provides more context and clarity. #The tax reform debate. A complex issue. The tax reform debate. A complex issue. The tax reform debate has been ongoing for years, with various stakeholders presenting their arguments and proposals. The government's commitment to streamline the tax code and lower compliance burdens has been a recurring theme, but the question remains, will the government uphold its pledge? The current state of the tax code. The current tax code is complex and convoluted, with numerous exemptions, deductions, and credits. This complexity leads to confusion and frustration among taxpayers, resulting in significant compliance costs. The government's pledge to streamline the tax code is a welcome relief, but it remains to be seen whether this promise will be fulfilled. Key challenges: complexity. The tax code is riddled with complexities, making it difficult for taxpayers to navigate and comply with the regulations. Inconsistencies. Different tax laws and regulations apply to various industries and individuals, creating inconsistencies and confusion. Lack of transparency. The tax code is often opaque, making it challenging for taxpayers to understand their obligations and responsibilities. #The benefits of tax reform ***. The benefits of tax reform. Tax reform has the potential to bring numerous benefits, including simplified tax code. A streamlined tax code would reduce complexity and make it easier for taxpayers to comply with the regulations. Lower compliance costs. By reducing the number of exemptions, deductions, and credits, tax reform can lower compliance costs and make the tax system more efficient.